How to add a new keyboard language in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down in last and here you can see the option keyboard. Now click on keyboard. And on top you can see the option keyboards. Now click on it and here you can see the keyboard languages list, and if you want to add another language then simply click on add new keyboard and here you can add new keyboard language. So this is the way to add a new keyboard language in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.